Flying in for a Florida cruise? Give yourself a buffer.
We like to arrive a day early when we cruise out of Florida. Missing a ship because of a flight delay would be terrible.
This red-eye gets us to Miami at 6:30 a.m., so we head straight to South Beach.
No rushing to the ship. We're aiming for an easy boarding day. This is one of our shorter deep dives. One place, one experience.
No itinerary, just the highlights.
Our longer videos show how everything connects across a trip.
Subscribe for more travel videos as we explore the world.
Today we're doing a deep dive into Miami Beach, the day before a PortMiami cruise.
Timing, logistics, and the vibe, start to finish. Our move for Florida cruises is simple. Arrive the day before.
Flights can ripple into big delays, and we'd rather lose a beach day than miss a ship.
The red-eye is perfect. We fly out Friday after work and land at 6:30 a.m.
Once you know where you're sleeping, you can be spontaneous the rest of the day.
Welcome to Miami.
We make it to Miami without any delays.
After landing, it's grab the bags, change into swimsuits, and grab an Uber straight to the hotel to store the luggage and head to the beach. On the drive in, Miami wakes up fast. Palm trees, pastel buildings, and that ocean light.
Miami Beach is a barrier island. Ocean one side, bay the other. We're headed to South Beach first, then we figure out the rest. Crossing the causeway is the switch flip. City behind you, water everywhere.
And it's a reminder that Miami Beach is its own island, not just a neighborhood. Even the little details from nature here feel like they're designed. Texture, lighting, and color.
South Beach is super walkable, so we ditch the bags and just wander.
We stay at the Kent Hotel in South Beach.
The lobby feels classic, simple, clean, and very Miami.
Breakfast is the first decision, and there are a lot of options down here.
We look around a bit, check menus, and pick what feels right. Ocean Drive is basically a buffet of choices: cafes, patios, quick bites, and sit-down spots.
Our plan today is to scan a few menus and reviews, then commit when something sounds good. We grab breakfast on Ocean Drive at Kantina.
It's got a big menu, lots of breakfast classics, plus a few Miami-style twists.
I go with a breakfast burrito, simple and filling.
I grab huevos rancheros, and it hits the spot.
South Beach hotels skew on the boutique side. Smaller rooms, big location value.
Quick reset at the hotel, then we're right back out.
This hallway feels like old South Beach. The hotel has a Hollywood glam meets Art Deco vibe.
Our room is straightforward. 2 queen beds, a courtyard view, and a private bathroom. One tip for Miami Beach hotels is to pay attention to whether your bathroom is private or shared.
It's not fancy, but perfect for a pre-cruise night when you just want sleep and a shower. Then it's back to Collins Avenue, and straight toward the water.
Between Ocean Drive and the Atlantic Ocean, there's a long green strip of grass, sand, and a dune system. The dunes make the beach feel more natural and wide open.
And once you hit the dune walkway, the ocean just appears.
The water surprises us. Clear, shallow, and that bright turquoise you don't expect in a big city.
It gives us Waikiki vibes, and it makes us miss Oahu a little.
If you're here before a cruise, this is a perfect do-nothing reset. I have to get in. It's warm enough to forget it's December.
As the sun drops, the whole beach changes. Softer light, cooler air, and way fewer people.
Golden hour here is kind of unreal.
An ocean swim before boarding day checks all the boxes and is exactly what I need when it's snowing back at home.
Same. This is exactly why we fly in early, escape the snow and not let it ruin our plans.
Planes towing huge banners keep passing us overhead, and it's another reminder that it's great to have our flight behind us.
Watching cruise ships leave PortMiami from the beach feels like a preview of tomorrow.
You're already in vacation mode, but you still get a full night of sleep before embarkation.
This is a view that makes you slow down.
And when you turn around, it's pure South Beach skyline.
The walk back through the dunes is really pretty. As we leave the beach, city energy creeps back in.
At sunset, Ocean Drive feels like a movie set. Pastel buildings, palm trees, and everyone out walking.
Even if you do nothing else, this stroll is worth it. The neon at golden hour is so good.
After dark, South Beach flips again. Neon everywhere, music, and way more energy.
It's beautiful. Bank everything to memory so you can relive the experiences. For dinner, we do the same thing as breakfast. Wander, peek at menus, and go with the moment.
We skipped lunch by accident, so we're getting a bit hungry, but still wanted to find a great place to eat since we only have one night in Miami Beach. Big Pink is one of those classic South Beach recommendations. Diner vibes and a huge menu.
There's a mix of classics and everything sounds good.
We're hungry, so we order an appetizer and an entree for each of us. Mozzarella sticks, the whole thing.
That cheese pull is pretty good, right? Sean orders what sounds like a normal barbecue chicken pizza, but it shows up as a buffalo chicken pizza with blue cheese.
This makes us even more excited for the food on board the ship over the next week. Next morning, Ocean Drive is already moving.
Just a block away is the Villa Casa Casuarina. A lot of people know it as the Versace Mansion on Ocean Drive.
Even from outside, the architecture is a full stop. Ocean Drive in the morning feels totally different, calmer, brighter, and way less chaotic.
And it's already 80 degrees, and we're still waking up.
This is your sign to bring water and sunscreen, even in the winter.
We also walk past a Scarface filming spot on Ocean Drive, the Sunray Apartments.
It's a quick photo stop if you're into movie history.
And there's a CVS on the ground floor where we buy some bottled waters.
Then it's back to the hotel, grab what we need, and check out.
Here's the other benefit of arriving early. Embarkation morning can be slow and relaxed.
We grab an Uber and head for PortMiami without that "are we cutting it close?" feeling. Even the route can change. A tunnel closure sends us over the bridge instead.
As soon as the terminals come into view, you can feel the cruise energy ramp up.
We are really looking forward to this trip. It's a new ship and a Caribbean itinerary with 2 stops we've never done. Bags to the porters, documents out, and we're officially boarding.
Once we're on board, we keep looking back at Miami Beach like, did we really do all that yesterday?
That's the magic of arriving early. The trip starts before the ship. And before we even leave, we watch other ships sail out first.
We're setting sail at sunset, and Miami basically puts on a show.
This is something we love about PortMiami: skyline, water, and that first night glow.
If you want to see the cruise this day leads into, our full Norwegian Aqua video is linked below and on the end screen.
And if you're planning a sailing on the other side of the country, give yourself a 24-hour buffer. Future you will be thankful.
Like this video and subscribe to replicate the magic. We've got more deep dives coming. If you have any Miami hotel suggestions, please share them in the comments.
Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.